everybody, my name is Alazae. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nut cluster. For the ingredients, I have fried nuts, baking chocolate and cup holder. I can't use the microwave, so I told Aunty Neela to melt the chocolate for me. So I'm going to take my cookie cup and I'm going to leave the layer. Now I'm going to take some nuts and I'm going to put it in the chocolate. Now I'm going to mix it. Then I'm going to put them on the cookie cups. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now I took it out from the fridge, so I'm going to fill it. Now it's nice and hard, so I'm going to open it. Thank you for watching Passing It On, and remember, stay safe.